Hey, I'm Ian.
And I'm Stephanie.
And this is the Explore More Stuff Lab here at Discovery Place. What we do in here is a lot of physics and chemistry and the physical sciences.
So what we have in this lab this month is chemistry. We've got luminol solution that makes glow, make a glow stick in a beaker. We've got pH testing, which changes colors based on your chemical. We've got a vinegar and baking soda water pump, which is really cool, I think.
So we're going to show you guys a warm experiment, or a hot experiment that we found. So come on over and we'll take a look.
Alright, so this is an uncommonly found type of alcohol that we're going to use as fuel for the fire. Here we have a generic dinner plate that's kind of resistant to heat. Here we've got the little turntable that we're going to put the wastebasket on. Here we have a metal mesh wastebasket that we're going to put the plate inside. And here we have our laundry detergent. It's technically borax, and it's going to make the fire change a different color.
We're going to take the dinner plate and sprinkle some borax on it, just a light little layer to kind of spread it out along the surface. It'll make it easier to dissolve once we put the alcohol on. Okay, so we're going to add enough alcohol to make sure that all the borax is dissolved on the plate. And we'll just kind of slosh it around a little bit to make sure that all the borax is dissolved. And then immediately recap the alcohol so those vapors don't catch fire. I'm actually going to move it off the table so we don't have to worry about it. I'm going to take the dinner plate and put it inside of the trash can. And if Stephanie would be kind enough to get the lights, please, you guys will get a better visual here. Once you've got everything set up safely, it's time to ignite the alcohol. And what I'm going to do in this case is light it and come down from the top. You can see typical fire behavior in this. You've got the thermal column rising up, and what it's doing is it's entraining air from outside. The mesh of the wastebasket is allowing the air to actually kind of move in from the outside. The key to making it a tornado shape is rotating the wastebasket, because what that does is it curves the air column as it comes into the wastebasket and as it comes into the fire, and you'll see the vortex motion of it when you add some rotation to it. It also increases the height of the fire column. We can stop it, you'll see it settle back down, and then we change the rotation on it, and you'll see the tornado change direction as well, because you've changed the direction of the air that's entraining into the wastebasket. If you were looking for natural examples of a fire tornado, you might look somewhere like a forest fire or large urban fires where there's so much updraft from the fire itself that you create fire vortices or fire tornadoes. You're not going to find the color, but you'll definitely see some tornadoes caused by fire.
So what we have coming up next month in Discovery Place, the Explore More Stuff Lab, is sound and music. We'll have a theremin you can play with. You actually hold your hand up and it'll actually change the notes based on what your hand is. So that's really cool. And we really look forward to seeing you at Discovery Place, so come on and see us.